It was the best day of my life. I still remember it, October 13th last year. I got that phone call of, yep, we want you to start. And yeah, I felt like it was the start of my brand new life, which it has been. I hit the ground running and I've made so many new friends and I've been so lucky. My squad has just been brilliant.
I served for 6 years in the Australian Army. I was lucky enough to deploy overseas and serve the country overseas. And I'd always wanted to join the police, and it just seemed like a great role to go from the Defence Force into the police, where I can serve the community and go from there.
I'm actually a mum of 6 kids, so I was a full-time stay-at-home mum before this. It's something that I've wanted to do all my life. The plan was with my partner and I that once the kids got off to school, then I could then go on and join police. I've enjoyed, 1, getting out of the house, 2, learning so much, 3, having my own life, but then still getting to go home at the end of the day to my husband and my kids.
Serving the community is something that really drove me towards being in the QPS. With that comes job satisfaction and just knowing that you're making a difference and make you feel good about the role that you're taking within the community.
Our facilitators particularly are so knowledgeable and we've learned so much off them. They've been really good. You can't believe how much you learn in 6 months. Being a girl, you sort of hold on to some things, whereas I've learnt now to just let the small things go, not a big deal, don't have time to worry about the small things and don't sweat it. And I think too, being in Queensland Police, you realise that there is a lot going on out in that big world. Yeah, don't sweat the small stuff and just focus on the bigger things.
Something that really sort of attracted me to the QPS was that the teamwork and the bonding and just relying on your mates to get a job done. So that was a good fit from the Defence Force and moving into the QPS, and it's something that really attracted me to the job. Can't wait to get out there. It's been a fun 6 months, but it's been a long 6 months, and yeah, ready to get out there on the road and put into practice all the skills that we've learnt here at the Academy.
And yeah, the friendships that I've made here, they're a lifetime friendships. Yeah, friends for life, no doubt.